Junior Camp! Junior Camp! Junior Camp! Junior Camp! Let's go, Red! Let's go!
All right.
Let's go, Red! Let's go! Let's go, Red! Let's go! Let's go, Red! Let's go! Let's go!
Not really.
Happy birthday to you! 1, 2, 3.
Pilgrim remembered, though, that he has a weapon locked right in his heart. What's his weapon he kept in his heart? Prayer, praying to God. So Christian says, you know what? Dear God, help me. And after he prayed, he felt stronger. He felt braver, drawing his sword, which is the Bible, right? The Bible is our sword. He said, I shall not do the wrong thing. You cannot make me. And with a roar, Apollyon, the wicked prince, made the earth tremble. He began throwing fiery darts at him. Okay, you have to block this. Don't let the darts hit you. So you have a shield. Remember that. Okay, hold up your shield. So he throws his fire darts. He said, you're not good enough. You're not worthy. I will make you obey me. Now the last one, it grazed his hand.
Darren, 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 Darren.
All right, Titus. You got it. Let's go, Titus. Woo!
Go, Titus.
Okay, Jimmy.
All right. Pay attention. Pay attention. Yeah! Hey, what's up, everybody? We're about to play flashlight tag at Junior Camp. Make some noise! Hey, did we have fun at Junior Camp? Who's gonna win? Team red or yellow? All right, flashlight tag on 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Junior Camp. 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 Let's go. Build up on my bed. Look at my feet. Each step I take, I won't go back. I won't go down. I'll keep on climbing higher now. Sing it out.